Hi dear students, let us start the new chapter, that is sets. So it is the first chapter of your NCERT book. Now I just take on the fifth chapter. Okay, anyway, sets. So I think in a school level, you people have already heard that what is meant by set, and as well as in the previous videos or a previous chapter I have already used several times sets. In a trigonometry I just use the set, or else in the principle of mathematical induction also I just use the set. What is exactly the meaning of the sets and what are the forms of the set, what are the types of the set, let's come to know in this video. Okay, what is a set? Set is consider, or first of all, the set is a plural sense and set is a singular sense. First of all, the German mathematician George Cantor. First, the study of sets has been started by the German mathematician, that is George Cantor. Whenever he has studied about the trigonometric functions, on that time he has got that what is meant by set and he has developed the set. Okay, what is meant by set? In the mathematics language, so many places we are using sets. For example, set of odd numbers, set of even numbers, and set of all the cards, playing cards are the set of cards like that, and set of one particular class, a set of particular area like that. We just used to say that what is the set. Okay, anyway, come to know that definition of the set. What is the definition of the set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is meant by set? It is a collection of well-defined objects. A word well-defined is very important. Why we used to say that well-defined, particularly well-defined should be there. For example, I just take some example. We just come to know that what is the meaning of well-defined. First of all, I just write down even numbers less than 10. Even numbers less than 10. What are the even numbers less than 10? Even numbers less than 10 is nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8. Less than 10 is that. Less than or equal to 10 means we have to include the 10 also. Here, even numbers less than 10. Even numbers less than 10. This is the exactly the required numbers. This is said to be the well-defined. Here, objects are there. These are the objects. How they used to write the set is nothing but a set is written. Elements are there 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the elements of the particular set. Those are represents even numbers less than 10. Whatever the property is there, the even number less than 10 is satisfying by these 4 numbers only. Apart from these 4 numbers, is there any other number outside this set? There is no other number. The numbers are objects which is possess a property. What is the property is possessing? Even number less than 10. All the property, all the numbers or all the objects are possessing a particular property belongs to the one particular collection. That collection is said to be a well-defined collection. That well-defined collection is said to be a set. So here a property is that even number less than 10. Possessing this property, is any other number outside that? Outside this set, there is no other number possessing this property. So that this is said to be a set. What is a set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Always sets are denoted by the capital letters. For example, capital letter A or B or C, like that. Any number you can represent like that. This is the representation of the set. Sets are always denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, D, like that. And these are said to be the elements of the set. 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever the number I have just written inside the block, okay, that is said to be the elements of the set. The elements of the set are always denoted by the small letters of an English alphabet. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, like that. These are the elements. Small letters are used to write the elements of the set. Capital letters are used to represent the set name. Name of the set is represented by the capital letters. Okay. So what is the once again what is the set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. So these are the particularly one example. So I just take another example. That another example means B is a another set. What is the another set is nothing but vowels of an English alphabet. What are the vowels of English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels of an English alphabet. So vowels of an English alphabet, only the 5 vowels are there. Those 5 vowels are just written in this manner. So A, E, I, O, U. Is any other vowels are there which possesses the property vowels property? There is only these vowels. All the elements are present in the lower bracket. So this is nothing but a set. Now here sets representation of the sets. Representations of the set. There are particularly two representations are there. One is the set builder form. Set builder form. Another one is the roster form. Roster or tabular form. One is the set builder form, another one is the roster form. There are two types of that for the representation of the set. How the representation of the set is going to happen? That is particularly two types. One is the set builder form, another one is the roster form or a tabular form. What is meant by set builder form? Or else first of all come to know that what is the roster or tabular form. So roster or tabular form is nothing but whatever the set I just written. The set A is said to be a roster form. I just write once again, or else another set I just consider. For example, prime numbers less than 10. What are the prime numbers less than 10? Prime number. What is meant by prime number? A number which is divisible by itself and the one. What is a prime number? A number which is divisible by itself and the one. Prime number. Set of prime number. Set of prime numbers less than 10. Set of prime numbers less than 10. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is a true prime number. 2 is a prime number. 3, 5, 7, 9 is not the prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers less than 10. There are so many prime numbers are there, but I just consider less than 10. Here, a particular property is that. What is a particular property? A prime numbers less than 10. This is the property is possessing. So, possessing this property, these are the 4 elements are there. 2, 3, 5 and the 7. Now, here roster form. This type of form or this type of representation, we just say that roster form. What is the roster form? Elements or objects of a set. Elements or objects of a set are written in numbers and separated by the commas and enclosed in braces or enclosed in a lower bracket. This form is said to be a roster form or a tabular form. What is the roster form of the set? Roster form of the set is nothing but elements of a set are written in characters. These are the characters E, I, O, U are numbers. Characters are numbers separated by the commas. Separated by the commas and enclosed by in a braces, lower bracket. Enclosed in a lower bracket. This type of representation we just say that roster form of the set. Roster form of the set is nothing but elements of the set or collection of well-defined objects are enclosed in a lower bracket and separated by the commas. Next, set builder form. What is meant by set builder form? The common property should be that common property is going to mention. How the common property is going to mention means This one only I'm just going to write in a builder, set builder form. How I just going to write a set builder form is nothing but suppose the elements of the set is represented by the x. Now I just represent elements of the set as a x. For all the x such that x is a prime number. For all the x such that x is a prime number. X is a prime number which is less than 10. This type of representation of the set is said to be a set builder form. Once again, I just write it set. So here particularly I just name the set as a B set. How to write the B set is nothing but a common property is going to say in this manner. In the property only they are going to mention. That type of representation they used to say that set builder form. Again, here I can write the set. How x is a number of the or x is the element of the set. How this x is that? Here I am just using the column. X column. Column is represents the such that x is a number or a element of the set B such that how we used to choose the x value means x is an element such that x is a prime number. X is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. This type of representation used to say that set builder form. And this type of representation used to say that roster form. Both forms are here. Set builder form and the roster form. In a roster form or a tabular form, the elements of the set are separated by the commas and enclosed in a lower bracket. And the elements of the set is going to say or describe by its property by mentioning its property. This is how we have to write x column is represents the such that x is a prime number less than 10. That is nothing but here this is set and this is set. This set and this set, none of the same. There is only the difference is here the form is different. Here form is set builder form is there. Here form is roster form is there. That's all. This is the difference. Now let's take some examples. How to write set builder form into the roster form of the set, roster form into the set builder form. Let's come to know that difference between the or difference of the representation of the set builder form and the roster form of the sets. Here some example. Write the following sets in the set builder form. We have to write the set builder form. Already know the two type of the representation of the set. One is the set builder form, another one is the roster or tabular form. In a set builder form, the property or common property used to say that, and in a tabular form or a roster form, we used to say that in a roster form, they used to write the elements of the set separated by the comma and enclosed in a lower bracket. Here, which form of the set it is? It is elements of the set is written separated by the comma and enclosed in a lower bracket. It is said to be a roster form of the set. Now we need to convert this roster form into the set builder form or a tabular form. What is a set builder? Word itself telling that we have to build the set. The set is in build. Set we have to build. How to build the set is nothing. But here again I am just writing the set A is equal. So tell the property of these numbers which is satisfying, or we have to get these numbers only. What are the numbers are present in this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the numbers are there. 1 to 7. 1 to 7 particularly unnatural numbers are there. And while writing in the roster form, the order of the numbers is immaterial. That is nothing but whatever the order we can write it. Okay, I just take a particular example. For example, school is there or college. College is there. set I am just going to write. What is the set is nothing but one set I am just going to write. Suppose the set B is there. What is the set B is there? Means letters of the word college. Letters of the word college. What are the letters are there? C is there, O is there, L is there, L twice is there. I just going to write only once. L is there, E is there, G is there, again E is there. So that is nothing but by writing in the roster form of the set, the repeated elements are going to neglect, or repeated elements are going to write only once. Repeated elements are going to write only once. And order of the elements is immaterial. Order of the elements is immaterial means whatever the order we can write. Then we can write, instead of writing the C O L E Z, I can write the O E G L C. In this manner also I can write. Order of the elements is immaterial and repeated elements are going to write only once in a set. This is the set. Roster form of the set. Letters of. What is the property of this one? This is the property. We said that letters of the word. Letters of the word college. Letters of the word college is the required set. Write the letters of the word college is nothing but either you can write the C O L E G, whatever. Order is immaterial and the repeated elements are going to write only once. Very important point. Now here the numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. We need to write this roster form of the set into set builder form. How to write the property? We have to say that here we used to write that x such that, here also x is that such that. Either you can take a y or some element here you can take. Generally we used to take the x. X is that such that. We have to tell the property. What is the property is going to satisfy here? Can I write that x such that x is a natural number? X is a natural number. Is it sufficient to write only this much? X is a natural number? No. X is a natural number means more than 8, more than 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Those numbers are also included. So that I have to restrict the number up to 7. How do we restrict? X is a natural number less than 10. Or x is a natural number less than 8. Less than or equal to 8 means it is included. Less than 8 is nothing but up to 7. So x is a natural number less than 8. What are the numbers going to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the one way. Or else other way also we can write the same set here. I am just going to write x such that. This is also correct. 100% correct. No doubt at all. It is the set builder form. Now other way we can write x is a natural number. X is a natural number. And one more point. For example, suppose the set A is that 2, 4, 6, 8. What are these? Even number less than 10 is that. The elements are always denoted by the small letters A, B, C, D, like that, etc. And suppose one element is present in a set A. Suppose one element is present in a set A. Suppose A is present, or else 2 is present in a set A. That we used to write that 2 is belong to the set A. 2 is belong to the set A. This is the Greek letter epsilon. This is used to say that epsilon Greek letter. 2 is, how to read this one? A phrase we have to use. What is the phrase? It is, this is belongs to. 2 is belong to the set A, which means that the element 2 is present in a set A. Suppose here 7, whether 7 is belong to the set A, 7 is present in a set A or not present in a set A, which is not present in a set A, used to write in this manner, belong to this right the line. So 7, how to read? It is does not belong to A. 7 does not belong to the set A, which means that the element 7 is not present in the set A. Just mention at the side of your notes or in a page, that is 2 belong to the set A. That means suppose the element is present in a set A, used to mention or represent in this manner or use the phrase belongs to. Suppose the element is not present in the set A, used to represent mathematically in this manner, and phrase we have to use that does not belongs to or not belongs to. Not belongs to. Does not belongs to or not belongs to. This right does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Is that clear? Very important. Now, using this notation, I am just writing the set builder form of this set. What is the set builder form of this? The set A is x belong to the natural number. X is a natural number. X is present in a natural number. But if you write only this much, all the natural number 8, 9, 10 also included. But those numbers are not here. So that reason I need to restrict it. How to restrict means x is a natural number and x is less than equal to 7. X is less than or equal to 7, or else you can write x is less than 8. 8 is not included. It is not less than 8 and x is a natural number. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. So in the examination, either write the first answer or write the second answer, doesn't matter. So instead of writing this one, in this way also we can write it. No matter what, we will get the full marks. Is that clear? The same thing. X is a natural number and x is less than or equal to 7. This is x is less than. Meaning output method, one of the answer we have to write. All the three forms are correct. That's the different forms is different form is given. Person to person writing and thinking capacity is different. So that reason it is left to them. Okay. Have you understood how to write the root form of the set into set builder form? You just observe the elements of the set present in a root form, given in the root form. We have to identify the character. What is the character is possessing? That character we have to mention. Okay, next one. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Set B is contains an element 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Write this set in the set builder form or tabular form. So observe the elements of the set B. What is the properties going to satisfy? Is these numbers are odd number? 1 is odd number, no problem. 7 is odd number, but 2 is the even number. All the even number which is not possible to say. Multiples of 2? No, 7 is not a multiples of 2. Then here observe 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 7 and yes, 28. So here, what are the factors of the 28? What are the factors of the 28? And number 28 is itself a factor. Okay, or else 128 is 28. And 2's also cancel. 2 1's are 2 4's are. Next 2's also cancel. Next you can say that 2 7's are like that. So 7 4's are 28. 14 2's are 28. 4 8's are 28. Not a 4 8's are 4 7's are 28 like that. Can I say that these are the factors of 28? Whatever the numbers they have given 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28, these are the factors of the 28 obviously. So that how to write in a set builder form? X is a number or element which is present in a set. How to write this one? X such that column is with the such X such that X is a factors of 28. X is a factors of 28. Whatever the factors of 28 are there, all numbers are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. 28 is also a factor of 28. So all whatever the numbers are present in this set, this is the characteristics or properties possessing. Are you clear? So this is all. Okay, next one in the same manner. C set is equal to 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 2, 4, 8, 16 and the 32. Okay, write the set builder form this set. Okay, so what is the set C? Now I just write the x such that observe the property x color or such that reading how to read this one x such that what is the property is going to satisfy here x such that 2 4 8 16 32 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 2s are 32 okay or else can I say that 2 power of n 2 power 1 2 power 2 4 2 power 3 8 2 power 4 16 2 power 5 32 yes or no okay x such that x is the value how we are getting the x value x is equal to 2 power 8 what is the value of n value how many values we have to take for n value we have to take whatever the number or only up to 5 only up to 5 that is x is equal to 2 power n is a natural number or a positive integer and apart from that x is less than or equal to 5 up to the 5 we can take it in this manner or else n value is rising between 1 to 5 n value is rising between 1 to 5 so this is the representation n value lies in between 1 to 5 1 2 3 4 5 value we can take for the n value so this is the required set builder form of the set C is equal to 2 4 8 16 and 30 x value how we are choosing the x value 2 power n is nothing but natural number in the natural number what are the numbers you can choose 1 2 3 4 5 or else n is less than or equal to 5 this is the also correct or else this manner also we can write as well this is up to you apart from that we can write n is less than 6 what is the next natural number less than 6 the previous natural number is 5 either this one or this one or this one whatever the way you can write it is that clear very simple now the next is set d is equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 0 2 4 and 6 right the given set d into set builder form that given set d into set builder form okay see the numbers negative numbers are there minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 0 2 4 6 is there so how to write the d set d is equal to this is in the roster form we have to write the set builder form how to write the set builder form x such that x is equal to these are the multiples of 2 but negative numbers are also there that means x is equal to 12 x such that how the x value choosing x is equal to 12 x is equal to 12 means multiples of 2 what are the multiples of 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 like that and continue these are all the positive numbers similarly negative numbers minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 minus 10 it goes up to infinity and 0 is also there 0 is there how to get these numbers 0 plus 2 minus 2 plus 6 minus 6 how to get only these numbers restrict the value of n x is equal to 2n x is n is a integer n is a integer means 1 2 3 positive integers 0 is also integer minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 yes in that manner positive value also there and as well as negative values also there how to restrict x is equal to 2n is an integer and that n value we have to take minus 3 to plus 3 minus 3 to plus 3 2 into minus 3 minus 6 2 into plus 3 plus 6 okay 2 into minus 3 to plus 3 is nothing but what are the integers are there minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 okay check it keep on replacing the n value minus 3 will get to minus 6 minus 2 replace n value as minus 2 here minus 4 if replace n value minus 1 minus 2 If you replace n value with 0, you will get the 0. Similarly, the positive value. Okay, so this is the set. I just stop. I don't have a space, so that I just written here. Next one, fifth one. Set E is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, so on, 8 by 9. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, so on, 8 by 9. Write this roster form of the set into set builder form. How to write in the set builder form? Observe that it is a rational number. What is a rational number? A number. What is a rational number? A number which is of the form P by Q, or else which is of the form A by B. Provided that Q is not equal to 0 or B is not equal to 0. A number which is of the form P by Q when Q is not equal to 0. This is said to be a rational number. Is that clear? Or A by B, provided that B is not equal to 0. Yes, left it. Either remember A by Q form or A by B. None of the same. It is a rational numbers are there. Observe that a particular pattern is there. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, like that. Or else observe only the numerator. Numerator means function. Male, function, chair. Observe the numerator 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, 5, 6, 7. What is the next number? Next number will get 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8. Observe the denominator 1 more than the numerator value. 1 more than the numerator, 1 more than the numerator, 1 more than the numerator value. So 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to 97. Then what we can write the set E in the set builder form x such that x is equal to. So natural numbers are there, x is equal to n. Numerator and denominator, how they are related? The numerator and denominator number 1 more than the numerator. Denominator value is 1 more than that one. If numerator is n, denominator will be 1 more than that one. N divided by n plus 1. Then what is the value of n? N value. Which value you have to take? N value you can take as any natural number. Particularly that natural number lies in between 1 to 9 or 1 to 8. Here shall I restrict the n value as up to 8 or up to 9? Up to 8, because n value is 8. 8 divided by 8 plus 1. That will get the last term. So this is the required set builder form of the given roster form of the set. This is how we have to write the set roster form into the set builder form of the set. So this type of example you may get in the examination for 1 mark. Now the reverse. They used to give the set builder form. Now we are required to write the roster. Yes, let's take that type of examples. Yes, now we need to write the roster form of the set of the given set builder form. This is the set builder form is a set of all the factors of the 24. Either write in this manner or else write a logarithm x such that x is a set of all the factors. Here, if they use the word set of, then it is not necessary to use the lower bracket. So here they have mentioned set, or else you can write x such that x is all the factors of 24. In that way also you can write. Okay. Now it is in the tabular form is that. Now we need to write or set builder form is that. Now we need to write the roster form. How to write the roster form? Okay, very simple. Set of all the factors of 24. Write all the factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? Factors of 24. 1 is the factor of 24. Then 2. Is it cancel? 3. 24 is a multiple of 3. 24 is a multiple of 3. Yes, 3. 4 are. Yes, next 5, which is not possible. 6. Yes, 6. 4 are. Next 7, which is not possible. 8 are. Yes, factor. Next 9 is not possible. 10 is not possible. 11 is not there, and 12 is there. After the 12, directly the 24. So these are the required factors of 24. Factors, we are going to write only the positive numbers, positive integers. That's all. Is that clear? So this is the required roster form of the given set builder form. Very simple. Next, second example. B. Set of all numbers. Set of all the numbers which is less than 10. Set of all the numbers which is less than 10. What are the set of all the numbers which are less than 10? Set of all the numbers which are less than 10. Set of all odd numbers. Set of all odd numbers which are less than 10. Less than 10 odd numbers. Less than 10 odd number. What are the odd number? Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 30, so on. These are all the odd number. But odd number, but less than 10. What are the odd number less than 10? You can write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd number less than 10. And satisfy the given condition. Therefore, this required Rollston form of the given set builder set form is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are satisfying set of all the odd number less than 10. Next, third, C. Set of all the prime number. Set of all the prime numbers less than 30. Less than 30. Set of all the prime numbers less than 30. What is the prime number? I have already mentioned prime number. A number which is divisible by itself and the 1. A number which is divisible by itself and the 1 is said to be a prime number. Prime number which are less than 30. Okay, prime numbers. Is 1 is a prime number? No, 1 is not a prime number. 1 is said to be a co-prime. Then prime number 2 is there. 3 is there, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number. Next, 11 is there, 13, and 15 is not a prime number. 16, 17 is there, 18, 19. What about 19? Yes, 19 is the prime number. Next, 21 is not a prime number. 23, yes, 23 is prime number. Next, 25 is not. Then 27 is not. 29, yes. 29. So a prime number which are less than 30. What are the prime number which are less than 30? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and the 29. What is the prime number definition? A number which is divisible by itself and the 1. These are the prime numbers. Next, fourth one. Set D is set of all letters of the word. Set of all letters of the word mathematics. Set of all the letters of the word mathematics. I have already given this type of example. College, we need to write the set of letters of the word mathematics. In the word mathematics, whatever the English letters are there, we have to write it. Okay, D is equal to set. M is the letters of the letters of the word mathematics. M is the, A is the, and T, H, E is the, and again E. Again, M is already once M is now written. Prepared. If the elements are twice or twice, we have to write only once. M, A is already written. Then T is already written. Just write the I and C and yes. Yes is the, yes is not. Okay. So these are, what is the set D represent? The set D represent letters of the word mathematics. Letters of the word mathematics. Repeated elements or repeated objects are going to write only once, and order is immaterial. In whatever the order we can write. There is no distinction for the writing the order of the letters or order of the object in a particular set. Okay, next, set E is equal. I just write that set. the example. Set E is x such that x is a two-digit number. X such that x is a two-digit number, two-digit natural number. Two-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. Such that sum of its digit is 8. What is the set E? Set E is given x such that x is a two-digit number. X value is a two-digit number, two-digit natural number, and how that natural number should be there? Sum of its digits is 8. Whatever the two-digit natural numbers are there, those digits we have to take the sum. After taking the sum of those two digits, we have to get the 8. For example, L1, 12, 13, 10, 14. These are all the natural number, two-digit natural numbers. Particular two-digit natural number. Okay. Can I write all these numbers to, or all these numbers are the elements of this set? Check it. What is the property is going to tell? X is a two-digit natural number. Okay, first condition is satisfied. But again, the one more condition is there such that sum of its digit is 8. How many digits are there? Two digits. Unit place, 10 place is there. So sum of two digits, these two digits should be 8. 1 plus 0. We have to take the sum. 1 plus 0 is equal to how much? 1. But after taking the sum, what we have to get? We have to get the 8. 1 plus 1. Will you get it as 8? No, it is 2. Are you clear? So in this manner, two-digit natural number, sum of its digit is should be 8. Then what are the two-digit natural number? What are the two-digit natural number? X is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Okay. So if I consider 0, 8, is it a two-digit number? It is not a two-digit number. Are you clear? Two-digit. It is not a two-digit natural number. It is a single-digit natural number. Okay, leave it. Next, I just write the 17. 17 is a two-digit natural number. Okay, sum of its digit is, will you get the 8? 1 plus 7. Yes, obviously is equal to 8. Next, after the 17, next what we can write? 26. 26. 2 plus 6. Obviously we will get the 8. Next. 35, 3 plus 5, next 44, next 53, next 62, next 71, next 80, next 80 or 91, no, after the 80 we don't have a two-digit number whose sum of the digit is 8, okay. Now, what are the numbers? Two-digit natural number which gives the sum of its digit is 8, 17, 26, 35, 24, 53, 62, 71 and the 80. These are the required numbers. One might have a doubt that 80 is not belong to this set because 0 is not a natural number. But I am not considering only the 0, 80. Observe that two-digit natural number. Sum of its natural number digit I have not mentioned. Sum of digit is not required as a natural number. Two-digit natural number. Obviously, it is a two-digit natural number. Sum of its digit is 8. Here is the required set or roster form of the given set builder. Okay. Now, few more examples are there. We'll continue in the next video. Okay. Thank you.